Here in section 12.5, we actually want to use our regression line for prediction. So let's go back to our Netflix example again, subscribers versus revenue. Our R value was high. That R was right here, 0.99, very strong linear relationship. And P was less than 0.05. That's a one-sided. Even a two-sided p-value would be less than 0.05. So that means we can use the regression line. The negative 0.97 was our A right here, and 0.124 was our B right here, our slope. We can use that for prediction. So what revenue would we predict for 100 million subscribers? So that's saying X equals 100. And we'll just go ahead and plug it in here. So then your predicted Y value, Y hat, would be negative 0.97 plus 0.124 times 100. And we'll go ahead and plug that in the calculator. So negative 0.97 plus 0.124 times 100, 11.43. So approximately $11.43 billion. And what about 300 million subscribers? Well, that's saying X equals 300. So we again plug that into our regression equation. So the approximate revenue we would expect to be negative 0.97 plus 0.124 times 300. And plug that into the calculator. So we've got a negative 0.97 plus 0.124 times 300, 36.23. So approximately $36.23 billion of revenue. So now the X equal 100, that is inside the domain. Remember our domain here. Let's go back to our data real quick. So here's what our scatter plot looked like. And our domain here went from a little higher than 20, so that was something like 23 or 25, up to a little over 200. So the 100's inside that domain, so we can be pretty confident of this prediction. However, X equals 300, X equal 300 would be way out here. So that's well outside the domain. So this may not be reliable. Okay, so that may not be reliable. So we typically would not want to use it for something that's too far past the 203 million, I think was the high number of subscribers there.